and welcome to my Embroidery 101 series. In this video we'll be covering the lazy daisy stitch. So to start off with, just bring your needle up through from the back of the fabric and pull the thread. And then place your needle back down through the fabric close to where you first came up. But this time don't pull the thread all the way through, just leave yourself a little loop and that will become your petal shape. Now just fiddle with that until you get it to be the shape that you want it to be. Next, bring your needle up through from the back of the fabric just underneath the top of your petal and loop it over. And then just pull your needle all the way through. Here you can pull on the thread if you need to, just to make it a little bit tighter. And now place your needle back down through the fabric just above the loop and pull all the way through, and that will secure it all in place for you. And that's how you do a lazy daisy stitch. So this one can take a little bit of getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, it's really useful for flowers and leaf designs. I hope that you found this video helpful, and you can check out my other tutorials in the playlist below, which does include a video on how I got rid of all the ink left behind from each of my different designs here.